Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way how to install a new hard drive on Windows 10. Say you've need a second hard drive and you need it for games or photos, videos, etc, whatever. I'll show you the simplest way, literally the easiest and quickest way, right? Because I've seen videos elsewhere where they've been 10+ minutes long and there's no need to be. Right, all you've got to do is hold your Windows button, press X. You come up with this little bar here, this options. Press disk management, or click disk management, sorry. Click disk management, you'll get this. Now you can see devices and drives. That's my Windows hard drive. I haven't got no other hard drive, but it's plugged in, so it's here, it's unallocated. So all you do is right click, New Simple Volume. It will bring up this welcome to New Simple Volume Wizard. All you got to do is click next. Make sure the size is right with what size of hard drive you have. In my case, I have a 500 gigabyte, but it's not fully 500 gigabyte, but it's a 500 gig hard drive, so that's right. Next, assign the following drive letter. So if you wanted to change the drive letter, you can have any letter you want from A to Z except for C, because C is already your Windows. Usually it just goes in order, so you go D. Next, say format this volume with the following settings. NTFS, which is what you want to leave it as. Now the volume label, I want to change to games. Leave this ticked on. Perform quick format, press next. It'll tell you exactly what's like everything here. You can actually enable file if you wanted to, compression if you wanted to, but I'm just going to show the easiest way. Finish. It should be loading up, and there you go. It's now showed up here. I'll just click on it. There's nothing in it, but I'll just click on it and it's there. And it's as easy as that. That's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. Please like if you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you later.